So we are on our way to St. Louis today. It's a beautiful fall day outside. The leaves have turned, they're rust and orange and gold, and the sky is a beautiful blue with some gray clouds in it. It's a beautiful fall day. And we are on our way to St. Louis to begin the celebrations of a very special young lady's birthday. Lainey turns 3 this week, next week actually. And we're going to go celebrate her by going to one of her favorite places. Hands Brewing. I'm kidding, that's not her favorite place, but it's a place that her parents like to go and Poppy likes to go. And then later on tonight, we're going to go have dinner at a restaurant in the Central West End. And it may be the first time, we were thinking about this, maybe the first time that Lainey will be able to remember having all of her grandparents in the same place, because her grandparents from England are here visiting as well. The travel restrictions were lifted last week, and they came over to visit. So we're looking forward to having a lot of fun with Lainey, celebrating all things her. We are at Hands Brewery today in St. Louis, which is my favorite brewery in St. Louis. It's kind of a unique place. It literally sits in the shadow of Anheuser-Busch, which, if you are familiar with St. Louis and familiar with beer, Anheuser-Busch ruled the beer scene in St. Louis for decades. They make about 30 different kinds of beers, make about 25,000 barrels. It's very, very good. They also started doing some distilled spirits, some gin, vodka, that they do here as well. But we've been at Hands. It's a very cool place. You can get some food. My favorite beer in the world, Absence of Light, peanut butter chocolate milk stout is here. So if you're in St. Louis, check it out. First time staying at a Residence Inn that I remember. This is the Residence Inn West County, I think is what they call it. Looks like a new hotel. Looks very nice.
It's a Marriott property, isn't it?
Marriott property. Bonvoy. Well, hello.
Hello. Today we're staying at the Residence Inn by Marriott. So we're going to give you a very quick little room tour. So when you first walk in, there's a kitchen. It's full-size refrigerator, a little 2-burner stove, dishwasher. That's cool. Lots of good storage, a sink, and a little bar where you could eat, 2 little bar stools. Pretty nice. Lots of good plugs so we can charge up all of our stuff. Behind that, just right behind it, is a little sitting area. Nice big sofa. Got a little ottoman there for your feet. There's a big work area with more plugs, some USB jacks. Just a rock wall to look out the window, not much there. But beyond that, then it's kind of divided here by this TV. And then you're in king size bed, little bedroom area. Right off of that, we have closet and a little dressing area, which this is super nice, so somebody can get ready in both places. And A nice big bathroom with a nice big walk-in shower. Looks good. How do you like it?
It ought to do for one night. I think it gives you a little more space than what a normal hotel room would be.
Yeah, definitely.
The whole residence inn
Definitely,
model
yeah.
is for extended stay.
Yeah. well,
We're
it's
staying
nice.
here for an extended period of time of 24 hours.
If that.
So
We're not even
it's,
being that long, actually.
but it is close to where we need to be.
It is. And it's very nice. Very clean. Very nice. Very quiet so far. So, yeah.
First impressions are good.
Yeah, I like it.
Going down.
Why, yes, I am. You're all dressed up.
I've got a fancy date with an almost 3-year-old birthday girl. We're going to a restaurant called Adira in the Central West End, which is just around the corner from what used to be the old Chase Park Plaza Hotel. We've been there before, but it's been a while. They're under new management and ownership now, so looking forward to having dinner in the chalet. So we are the first ones in our dining chalet that we're in here this evening, and so we've taken the occasion to order us a couple of cocktails to start the night off. I'm feeling a little chilly, so I'm going to depart from my normal refreshing gin and tonic and have a Negroni tonight to start the evening off. And Mrs. Karnes has ordered a drink called Can We Travel Yet? And I think the answer is maybe. But we're going to try that drink out here in just a minute. We're the first ones to arrive. The party should be here any moment. So I may have mentioned this in the elevator on the way over. We're eating dinner tonight at Edera, E-D-E-R-A, in the Central West End, which is just in the shadow of the old Chase Park Plaza Hotel. It's right around the corner from it. The Koppler family, who Amber used to work for, she worked for Ted Koppler, used to own a big chunk of the real estate in this part of town, including that hotel. They used to own this restaurant. I don't think they do anymore, but we're really looking forward to a nice dinner. Looks like we have a nice wine list. We're going to really have an enjoyable evening. Pre-celebratory third birthday party for Lainey.
I wanted to bring you out for just a second to show you St. Louis's top secret garden. So right behind me is the Chase Park Plaza. Right in front of me is the Central West End. There's this wire gate that you can enter and you get into the secret garden. This is where Scape used to be. Now we're at Adira. And it's beautiful. There's fountains on one side. That's where Gemma and I got engaged. But now this is just a secret place. So don't tell anyone. It's just for you.
Thank you. Very nice.
You may notice in the next few shots that we are minus a few dinner companions. Lainey got an earache and they had to take her to the convenient care, and come to find out she had a double ear infection. So the grandparents stayed and finished dinner while the moms took Lainey to get checked out at the convenient care.
What is yours?
It's a risotto. It's a
Oh, that's right. I forgot. You ordered the risotto. And then I ordered this, which I didn't know it had this big old bone coming out of it. It was like huge.
looks like a dinosaur
It does look like a dinosaur bone. Oh, I didn't know lambs came that big.
Here, let me just look at this.
So, Mrs. Karnes, have you ordered the dinosaur shank here tonight? What is that?
I just thought, I don't know what it was.
Hold that up to your
Oh
head.
my
It's as big as your head,
It
I
is
think, isn't
almost,
it?
look. We'll talk
You know,
about it later and see if I eat it. It looks good.
I can't take her anywhere.
It looks really good. It's probably the best thing on the menu.
I'm sure it is.
After enjoying a wonderful dinner, and yes, that lamb shank was delicious, we walked down and went through the Chase Park Plaza and just took a look around with Mandy and Trevor. We all had a wonderful time getting to know each other and talking, and we were all really happy that Lainey was able to get some medication and be better for her party the next day. Santa and Britain must have known you were going to be a princess to send you that crown. Wow. She broke her other crown and sent it back to Santa, so she got a new one for her birthday.
Good luck. I doubt we're gonna get to that.
Oh, you are looking more like a princess every minute. Wow.
So pretty.
You wait till Miss Lainey sees you, Lainey. She's gonna go, wow, wow, a princess. Watch Lainey doing it, right? Look at her.
Wow.
Look at her. She looks just like a princess, doesn't she? Ooh, that's fancy. Wow. Oh, I like her pink shoes, man. I would wear those. I love those, girlfriend. She really is good to do this. Oh. Well, she's doing it. Wow.
Okay, that's shiny on your eyes.
Oh, look at that.
Close your eyes. Oh, you're so good. You know how to get makeup on.
Okay. Ooh, she's a princess, Poppy. Look at her.
You like one of those?
Oh, look how
Which one do you like?
That one here?
Oh, you like those jewels. She's done the jewel things. She likes those. Her KK got her some of those jewels to put on. Look at you.
Pretty one.
Look at, doesn't she look like a princess?
Uncle Blake's gonna be the face.
Oh, look at that. Wow, Lainey. That is amazing. Oh, wow. I love it.
I'm good, but I'm not that good.
Look like a princess, don't you? She's looking at it. Look at her.
Thank you.
Look how beautiful. We say do that was important.
This one has a gonna have a red knot, but he's got the red on his side, so I'm like, who knows? Yep.
Oh my goodness. Are you going high? Oh wow, look at that. What a big girl. Here we go.
Hold on. Got her.
I got it. It's okay.
She's got it.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Almost. Look at you. Wow, that was fast.
You did it all by yourself. Hey, Lainey. Did you stay too? No? What did you turn?
3.
You turned 3? Wow. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Lainey. Lainey, can you say subscribe and like?
Subscribe